Hi guys, it's time to show you Penelope, and I will show you the new wires that I ordered. The R wire and the NR wire are connected by heat. Let's start with Penelope. It's a prototype, it's not signed, it's not very well made it. This is the base, it's like the Odysseus base, the body and the cap. As you see, the cap is much smaller than Odysseus, and it's only one cap instead of two caps. If you remember, Odysseus has one big cap and one small cap that keeps the O-ring in place. Now Penelope has only one cap and O-ring is inside the cap. Let's open Penelope to show you how it is made inside and to make a wire to vape it. This is the body, like Odysseus. This is the mouthpiece. As you see, the mouthpiece is thinner from here to here, so Penelope can take more liquid than an Odysseus at the same size. You see those. You see the stop here, so we're able to open the liquid control without totally open it and overflow the atomizer. It is made like this. You see that is not rounded like Odysseus. It has those cuts to leave, so we are able to fill it properly because Penelope is thin, so we need more room for the air to come out when liquid comes in the Penelope. This is the rebuildable part. You see two channels like Odysseus. You see the ring and the base. There is a difference on the rebuildable part. Let's open it. This is the base, first of all. The ring that keeps the rebuildable part in place. And this is the rebuildable part. We have the center pin. We connect it to the ceramic housing at the same way like Odysseus. One small difference is that this black thing inside here is not an O-ring anymore, but a small plastic. So pin sits more straight on the base. It's not off axis with the base, and it doesn't damage so easy like an O-ring. Inside there is the ceramic that has one ear this time. You see the ear of the ceramic. This is it. This is the ceramic, but the other ear of the ceramic doesn't exist. The only that exists is a channel, but it's a metal channel. I cut the metal this way. I made the channel, but there is still a piece of wall. I mean that the cut is not going down the whole of the ceramic housing. It still has a wall here. So the NR wire will sit and make contact without having to grab it with the ring. So there is no the problem with Odysseus that we kept the NR wire with the ring, so mouthpiece was off axis when it was sitting on the ring, because the ring now sits well on the base. now we will make a wire for Penelope, and I will make this wire with the new wires I made. They are like this. It's an R wire and an R wire connected together. As you see, the connections are so small that sometimes you can't see them well. They are very well made, those wires. I will try to show you the connection, but maybe you will not be able to see, but you can touch them, you can touch it with the figure. The connection is here. I think you see a small black thing. And the other connection is on the other side. As you see, the NR wire is very big, so we can handle it easy when we will make the resistance. It is 50 millimeters per side, 50 and 50. So now we have a wire that is 0.17 or 0.15 ohms, and it's 0.15 fat wire. I am talking about the NR wire, the R wire, excuse me, the resistance wire. Let's make the wire. We start wrapping, making coils from the point where the no resistance wire stops and the resistance wire starts. We try to make the coil as close as we can. We try to make as close as we can the threads. And our coil is ready. You see how fast we did it because we don't have to twist the wires anymore. We put it inside Penelope. I put it like this so